Hey everyone, Dougie Douglas back with another video. I've been pushing this off for a little bit now. Been I think going on like about 3 years since I first did a review of the Kimo Ratchet. You know, times pass, life change, things happen. But I'm gonna do a quick update video because I know a lot of y'all been kind of asking for one. And give y'all a little update on things. So as you can see through the hard case. You know, it been through some things. Everything's still in here. Still got everything in here. Shockingly, it lasted, which I kind of, being new to tools, I kind of didn't have faith in it lasting that long. Because granted, I only spent like less than $100 at the time. You know, as you can see, it been through its his little life of, doing ratchet things, becoming hammers. And it lasted. I can't complain. Would I recommend this as of now, 2024? No, and here's why. As everybody knows, things happen, life goes on. For the price that this is, I think it's still around. Last I checked on Amazon, still going for around the same price. For the same price, me personally, like I started dabbling with the Hercules line, specifically the long gooseneck one, because all mechanics know if you're using one of these, you need what this provides. You need reach. 9 times out of 10, you're using this in a little close quarter area, and that's why I personally got one of these, the long neck ones. Kimo never made a long neck one, and so I was stuck with this. If you compare them, let me just compare them side by side. As you can see, the Kimo one is actually a lot bulkier in all areas, and then the buttons is different as well. The batteries, as you can see, one slides in, one slides on. This, honestly, the battery style being like this, I actually enjoyed it. Even though you don't, like, the battery lasted for a decent per battery, but not to the 10. You doing it, you're gonna go through the batteries fairly quick. But the batteries lasted. The batteries that I have still now is the batteries that came when I bought it, so I didn't have to warranty it or anything like that. So it lasted. I give it credit. I put it through some things. So that's really it, honestly. As you can see, light glaring, but still it's just a little bit below full. But that's really kind of the update. Did it last? Yeah. It withstand the little wear and tears, the drops, to me using it like a hammer, things and such like that. But it lasted, so I can't really complain about it on that note. Only thing I can really complain about is with how everything is going in the market, you can get better, if not the same, for the same price, if not cheaper. Like Hercules, you can get like a starter kit, one of these, for like maybe $100, and you get the battery, the charger, and the chargers work for all the batteries, and the tool. And the tool comes with a 5-year warranty, and the battery comes with a 3. While with the Kimo, if I'm positive, you got maybe, I think they gave you a year if you went through them. But Amazon, like, with Amazon, you get kind of the month period. And I ended up buying the extended warranty, which I wouldn't recommend it because I didn't use it. Quite frankly, I didn't use it. And it's not like you could warranty the tools and nothing's wrong with it. Because nothing's wrong with it, they're just going to send you the same tool back. They might just clean up areas, but they're going to send you the same shell back. So yeah, personally, I went with Hercules because the price point at the end of the day, and I already had some Hercules tools, so the batteries and things and the chargers and such, it was a no-brainer for me. I know a lot of people is Milwaukee, you got some Snap-on guys, everybody's different. But that's really it. Obviously, it's made in China tools. I know in my original review video, I was stuttering a lot. At the end of the day, I was sick. And I was making some, like, I was talking about the torque. I was kind of reading it for what they're saying, but from doing it and working on it, you kind of don't see it, honestly. It does what you need it to do, get nuts and bolts off fast, but that's about it. Honestly, if you need it because you need some special handy dandy mechanic tool, professional shop wise, I probably wouldn't recommend it. It's more of a hand me down tool. But if you're doing it more on DIY, you just needed something to get the job done, you can get this. But there is better out. And like Hercules isn't even the best, but there is just as better. So I'd recommend, that's my review. As you can see, still kind of loud, but the speed is, this one obviously, Hercules ironically says it's less foot-pounds, but it's faster, obviously, as you can hear and see. They kind of oversell the stats on this. So that's really it. To say, memo, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna get back into making videos, things like that. Got some tools I want to show off, stuff of that sort. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you got any, if you have any experience with this, the Electric Ratchet, or anything, you leave it in a comment. And I'll catch you later.